A POS, or a program of service, is a charitable activity performed by the club. In order to add a program of service, we're going to navigate to our POS, or Programs of Service button. And here you can see the different listings of the programs, if there have been any charitable services. We can add new programs of service by selecting the Add New Program of Service button. And here you'll see some information that needs to be added for this program of service. Title is required, so we'll add our program of service. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it program of service. You can select a type. There's Americanism, child abuse prevention, youth programs, community service, and programs of service fundraising. You can choose a subtype, fundraising or National Day of Service. And then you could choose a start date. You can also select an end date for your program of service. And then a description is also required for the program of service. You will want to add a chairperson to your program details section. We can just type a name for your chairperson. You can select the number of volunteers that are expected at this program of service. We can select the number of people benefited by this program of service, the total hours spent on the project for the program of service. You will select your project expense amount, the donation amount given to the community, the gross receipts amount, the net amount raised, and if this is a National Day of Service, yes or no. Once you are done selecting and entering the data that is required, you'll select Submit. And you can see we have successfully added our program of service in the Program of Service Details area. We can further edit this program of service by selecting Edit. And then it'll bring up the same menu where we can edit certain information regarding this program of service. Once you're done editing, again, you'll select Submit. And you'll see that the program of service has been updated successfully.